jungle. Underdog tales where the rumbles come subtle. Paws on pavement, smell the struggle, bout to hustle. From shadow side streets, roaring out the muzzle. Born in the gutters, but nah, not bitter. Eyes on the prize while the weak fools linger. Moon howling night, city lights flash quicker. Claws sharpened on dreams, he's a night vision singer. The blue wolf howls, breaking chains, no longer crawl. From the depths emerges tall, here's destiny's call. No more beta blues, now alpha he'll stand, leading the pack, claws gripping the land. Met the lions and tigers, dodging all traps, strategizing moves, never relapsing perhaps. Street philosophers spit wisdom in raps. Opens up the trade, he's escaped all mishaps. From boots with holes to leather, gold and soul. Every battle scar made him whole, noble gold. Underdog stories, legends unfold. Blue wolves rise, icy veins, heart bold. The blue wolf howls, break